Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your HyperX Cloud Flight wireless headset to your PS5 in 2026. Now, to begin with, the HyperX Cloud Flight Wireless uses a USB wireless receiver, so it can connect directly to your console without any Bluetooth pairing. So first of all, you need to take the USB dongle that comes with your headset. Afterwards, you need to insert it into one of the USB ports on your PlayStation 5. Once connected, the PS5 will recognize it as a USB audio device. Now you need to press and hold the power button on your headset until it turns on. In most of the cases, this connection happens instantly. Now you need to go to the settings on your PS5, then simply go to the sound settings. Inside sound settings, look for the option of audio and output. Over here, you need to do two important things. The output device and the input device should be USB headset HyperX Cloud Flight Wireless, and this ensures both the audio and the microphone are working properly. So after that, simply look for the option that says output to headphones, and you need to set it as all audio. This allows you to hear both the game sound and the voice chat through the headset. So now you can adjust the volume and you can just simply start using it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.